Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Bianchi candy is probably one of the most iconic and beloved treats out there. From its vibrant packaging to the burst of flavors in every bite, it's a nostalgic trip for many of us. But is it really worth the hype? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Bianchi candy, exploring its history, taste, and whether it lives up to the sweet memories. Number 5. Kinder Bueno Milk Chocolate Bars, 30 packs. This is Kinder Bueno, 2 milk chocolate bars with a crispy wafer and creamy hazelnut filling in each pack. It's a limited-time flavor, perfect for those who enjoy a delightful treat. The bars feature a crispy wafer and a creamy hazelnut filling, all covered in smooth milk chocolate and topped with cocoa. The combination creates an irresistible taste that you'll surely love. Each pack includes 2 individually wrapped milk chocolate bars, making it ideal for sharing with someone you care about. It's a great way to spread joy and create memorable moments. These individually wrapped bars are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a get-together, a coffee break, or an afternoon snack. You can even use them as a topping on your favorite desserts. Enjoy your favorite Kinder Bueno bars, now available in milk chocolate. It's the perfect sweet treat for yourself or a delightful chocolate candy gift for someone special. Say yes, Bueno, to these party snacks and party favors as you gear up for game day. They're a fantastic addition to any football party, making the event even more enjoyable. What we like? These bars feature a crispy wafer and creamy hazelnut filling, covered in smooth milk chocolate. It's perfect for sharing with someone you love, with each pack containing 2 individually wrapped bars. If you are looking for a delightful treat to share or enjoy on your own, this is a great choice. What people say? The Bianchi candy is a great bite for the price. The bike is well made and the components are of good quality. The candy has a comfortable ride and handles well. Number 4. Bianchi 111 Cyclone Belt Holster, tan. This holster features an open-top design, allowing for a swift draw and easy reholstering. It's designed for quick access when you need it most. This feature ensures efficiency and ease of use. This holster is designed to work with both short-barrel and long-barrel revolvers. It offers great flexibility. It's a versatile choice for various firearm types. You can carry this holster strong side or cross-draw. It provides options to suit your personal preference and carry style. This adaptability makes it a great choice for different users. The holster includes a trigger guard detent, which enhances weapon retention. This feature provides added security, keeping your firearm safely in place. It's designed to give you peace of mind. It features dual belt loops that fit 1.5-inch, 38mm, belt widths. The design allows for cross-draw or strong side carry. This ensures a secure and comfortable fit. The holster incorporates a quick-release thumb snap. This feature allows for rapid access to your firearm when needed. It's designed for quick and easy operation. What we like? This holster's open-top design allows for a quick draw and easy reholstering. It can be worn strong side or cross-draw, offering versatility. If you prioritize quick access and adaptable carry options, this holster is a great fit. What people say? The Bianchi candy is a great bike for the price. The bike is very comfortable to ride. The bike has a great design. Number 3. Bianchi 111 Cyclone Belt Holster, tan. This holster features an open-top design, allowing for a swift draw and easy reholstering. It's designed for quick access when you need it most. This feature makes it incredibly user-friendly. It functions as a holster for both short-barrel and long-barrel revolvers. This versatility makes it a great choice for various firearms. It's designed to accommodate different needs. The holster accommodates both strong side and cross-draw carry methods. This allows the user to choose the most comfortable and accessible carry style. This flexibility enhances the overall experience. The trigger guard detent provides enhanced weapon retention, ensuring the firearm stays secure. This feature adds an extra layer of safety. It's designed to keep your firearm in place. It features dual belt loops that fit 1.5-inch, 38mm, belt widths. The design ensures a secure and stable fit on your belt. This makes it easy to integrate into your existing gear. The 2 belt loops allow you to wear it cross-draw or strong side. This provides flexibility in how you carry. This allows for personalized carry preferences. It includes a quick-release thumb snap for added security. This allows for easy access when needed. It's designed for both speed and safety. What we like. This holster's open-top design allows for a quick draw and easy reholstering. It can be worn strong side or cross-draw, offering versatility. If you prioritize quick access and adaptable carry options, this holster is a great fit. What people say. Fit my Colt Python, new model, 6-inch barrel .357 like a glove. Great leather and great stitching. Fits perfectly. Number 2. Bianchi 5 BHL Thumbsnap Revolver Holster, tan. This is the Bianchi 5 BHL holster, designed for revolvers. It's a reliable holster that prioritizes both comfort and security. The wide belt loop ensures a stable carry. This feature helps to keep the holster securely in place, even during movement. Featuring an integral thumb snap, this holster enhances handgun retention. This provides an added layer of security, keeping your firearm safe. The holster is suede-lined, providing a soft interior. This lining helps to protect the finish of your handgun. Designed with a high ride for maximum comfort and concealability. It allows the user to carry the firearm close to the body, making it easier to conceal. The open muzzle design accommodates different barrel lengths. It's a versatile design that works well with various revolver models. What we like. This holster features a suede lining for comfort and a high ride design for maximum concealability. The integral thumb snap enhances handgun retention. If you value comfort and discreet carry, this holster is an excellent choice. What people say. The Bianchi Candy is a great choice for anyone looking for a stylish and reliable bike. The bike's frame is made of high-quality materials, making it both lightweight and durable. The Candy's design is eye-catching, with a sleek frame and a range of vibrant colors to choose from. Number 1. Roshen Milky Splash Toffee Candy. Introducing Roshen Milky Splash Toffee Candy. This candy offers a smooth, creamy toffee experience. It has a rich milk filling that melts in your mouth. Produced using exclusive, world-first technology, this toffee maintains its freshness and flavor. It provides a one-of-a-kind candy indulgence for toffee lovers. Each toffee is individually wrapped in double-twist packaging. This protects the candy from external influences, ensuring a soft and fresh experience. This delightful toffee candy is kosher and halal certified. It's perfect for a wide range of dietary preferences, making it suitable for everyone to enjoy. With approximately 148 pieces in every bag, it's ideal for sharing. Keep it on hand for parties, gatherings, or daily enjoyment. What we like. These toffees offer a smooth, creamy experience with a rich milk filling. Each piece is individually double-wrapped for freshness. If you enjoy a delightful treat that caters to various dietary preferences, you should consider this. What people say. The Bianchi Candy is a great bike. It has a comfortable ride. The bike is well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.